So today we're gonna do. Oh, sorry, bunnies, my throat. Let me just take some water. Okay, sorry, bunnies. I didn't mean to cough in the microphone. All right, so long U, silent E is what we're working on. And our standard is RF, which is Reading Foundations. 1 for first grade, number 3, part C. And this has to do with the long vowels using a silent E at the end, okay? So today, all of these words here that you see pictures are going to have the long U silent E at the end. And there's going to be a consonant between the U and the E. So let's start out with this one first. Okay, this one is fume. Can you say fume? Okay, let's stretch it. Fume. Good. Let's segment. F, U, M. Okay, let's write it down. F, which is F. F. Then U. Then F, U, But if we leave it like this, lovies, this is not U. This is fum. How can we change this U from a to a to a U? Yeah, we got to add the silent E after the M. Okay. If you didn't finish writing the word fume, go ahead and pause the video so you can finish writing it. Okay. This right here is a tube. Can you say tube? Okay, let's stretch it. Tube. And let's segment. T, U, B. 3 sounds. Okay. So let's write the first sound, T, which is a T. Then U, which is okay, and then B, which is a B. Do bat first. Bat, then ball. Bat, then ball for B. Okay, now, if we leave it like this, it's not tube, it's tub. This will be a. How can we change this from a to a U sound? Yeah, we got to put that silent E after the B. If we put that silent E after the B, and that changes this from a to U. Tube. Go ahead and do that. Okay. This picture right here is the word dune. Dune is a hill made of sand. Those are dunes, like in the desert. There's a lot of sandy hills. Those are called dunes. Okay, so let's say the word dune. Say it. Okay, let's stretch it. Dune. Now let's segment. Okay, ready? Begin. D, U, N. 3 sounds. First sound, D. Now, is D for bat and ball, or is it for drum and drumstick? Yeah, it's for drum and drumstick, right? So the drum goes first. Drum, then the drumstick. Drum, then the drumstick. Okay, then you make the U. Dune. Goes at the end. Dune. Now, If we leave it like this, it's not dune, it's done. N. We got to change this from a to a U sound. How can we do that? Well, we put the sign, the E, right after the N, right at the end, and it'll change this U from a to a U. Dune. Go ahead and do that. Okay. Hopefully you finished writing this. If you didn't finish writing Dune, just pause. Okay, next is this one. This is an ice cube. Can you say cube? Good. Now let's stretch out the word cube, you and me together. Ready? Begin. Cube. Okay. And now let's segment the word cube. K, U, B. All right. So now we're going to write the word cube, right? K is a C. U, K, U, B. So B is bat and ball, right? B. They both begin with the B sound. So bat first, then ball. Okay. If we leave it like that, is this cube? No, it's cub, right? This k, b. We got to change this from a to a U sound. How are we going to do that? Yeah, you got to put that silent E at the end. So this could change. So now it's cube, cube. Okay. This one you're going to do without me. I'm going to tell you the word. We're going to stretch it and segment, but you're going to write it without me, okay? Say tune. Yes, tune. Now let's stretch out the word tune. Tune. Okay, let's segment the word tune. T, oo, n. Tune. So go ahead and write tune right here. I'm not going to do it. You have to do it without me. Okay. If you need more time to write the word tune, pause the video so you can finish it. Because we're going to move on to this one. Okay, so pause it right now. Okay, now we're going to move on to this one. This is fuse. Fuse. So let's stretch out the word fuse. Ready? Begin. Fuse. Okay, let's segment the word fuse. F, U, S, fuse. Okay, what's the first sound in fuse? Yeah, f, right? Let's make that F for f. Then comes U. F, U. So let's write the U. And the last sound, f, U, s. The s sound goes at the end. So here I go. I know I'm going fast. You'll have a chance to write it at the end. Now, if we leave it like that, it's not fuse, it's fuzz. This is an sound. So we got to make sure this is a U sound. How can we change this to a U? You're absolutely right. We need to put the silent E at the end. Now we have f, U, s. Go ahead and write it down. Okay. Now we're going to go on to this one. This one means to turn off the sound, right? There's the sound, and then you put a line through it. That means to turn it off or no sound. So this one is mute. Let's stretch. Can you say the word mute? Good. Okay, now stretch it, bunnies. Do it with me. Ready? Begin. Mute. Okay, now, please, let's segment the word mute together. Ready? Begin. You. Three sounds. Mute. So you go ahead and write that word down. I'm not going to do it for you. You have to do it. You. Write it down. Pause the video so you can write it down, okay? Pause it right now and then write down the word mute. Okay, hopefully you finished writing the word mute here. If you didn't, pause the video and finish writing it. Because if not, we're going to go on to this one. Okay. This one is the word cute. Can you say cute? Okay, let's stretch cute. Ready? Begin. Cute. Good. Now let's segment. Ready? Together. Ready? Begin. K, U, T. Cute. Okay, so first we do the k, k, which is the C. K. So k, U. Then we do the U. I know I'm going fast, but you'll have a chance when I'm done, okay? K, U, T. The T goes next. Now, if we leave it like that, is it the word cute? No, it's the word cut, right? Cut. How can we change this U from a sound to a U sound? Right, we've got to put the silent E. See, you already know that now. Good, cute. K, U, T. All right, go ahead and write that. Now I'm giving you a chance to write it down. Go ahead and write it. Okay, hopefully you finished writing the word cute down. If you didn't, pause the video so you can finish. Okay? All right, last one. Do you remember what you call this little animal that has a horse mommy and a donkey daddy? Or maybe it's got a horse daddy and a donkey mommy? Yeah, so the baby of a horse and a donkey is called a mule. Can you say mule? Okay, so let's stretch out the word mule. You and me together. Ready? Begin. Mule. Okay, now let's segment. Ready? Begin. You. Mule. Okay, first you got to do the sound, which is the M. You. So now we got to do the U sound. Okay. U, O. Then the O sound, which is an L. Now, lovies, if we leave it like this, it's not mule, it's mull. We got to change this from a to a U. How can we do it? Yeah, that silent E at the end. Now it's U, O. Okay, go ahead and write it down, mule. Okay, so you still have to do tune and you still have to do mute. This one is tune. What is it? Tune, right? Rhymes with dune. And you still have to do mute, which rhymes with cute. Okay, you got to do these two. And then you're done.